Hello everyone, I'm Velia Bigi, and this video focusing on understanding the vulnerability to natural hazard represents the framework within which my PhD work is carried out. In the coming decades, the increasing risk of natural hazards associated with climate change will pose a serious challenge at a global level. As long as human societies and local systems are affected, climate change represents both a global and a local problem. Therefore, a suitable approach is a context-oriented perspective. However, the understanding of risk relies on the availability of data. Risk managers and decision makers are not always supported by reliable and unambiguous data on hazards and their trends, as well as economic and socio-demographic processes. This influences the insight of present and future vulnerability, and in particular its components: physical and social exposure, sensitivity factors, and the adaptive capacity of different social systems. Specific challenges are associated to urban and rural contexts. Their spatialization is usually supported by multi-open access sources, such as remote sensing data and national statistics. Poor data quantity and quality issues are faced in the rural areas of northern Kenya. In this research, water contamination and vegetation dynamics have been addressed. As expected, findings show that this area is highly vulnerable to water quality issues and land degradation. With few resources, local policies are struggling to cope with the decreasing livelihood of these communities. More recently, the COVID-19 sanitary and economic crisis provided the evidence that urban contexts as well may be susceptible to unforeseen delays in policy delivery due to the scarcity of data in a considerable number of sectors. This research highlights that in order to prepare to tackle increasing natural hazards, the understanding of risk is pivotal. Preparatory activities include multi-source data collection and their transformation as inputs for further research and as decision support material for policymakers.